Hi, this is I Faindra Jabbar from the Trainers Tips. Today, I will give 5 ways to build up a strong base Instagram account. Yeah, after this. Okay, let's say this is your first experience watching my video. I would like to encourage you guys to click subscribe buttons below here and hit the notification button so that I can buzz you with my new videos every Tuesday, every Saturday, 9 p.m. Alright, so first of all, I won't give you guys tips like, you have to buy the followers, or maybe some people they will follow and unfollow other Instagram account. You know why? Because this is, maybe you will get some followers, but they are not real followers. In order to get real Instagram followers, you have to do a real practical task as well. So let's go with the tips. Number one, you should know the main ideas of Instagram. It's all about photos. So in order to get the followers on Instagram, definitely you should have a good content. A good content means you should have a good quality of images, photos. Let's say you really want to make your Instagram account as a serious platform for you to build up your branding or maybe your business. Then I would like to advise you, maybe you should start to invest money to buy proper gadget. I'm not asking you guys to buy the SLR, but smartphone nowadays also can provide you with the good qualities of images. You can see our public figure, Insta famous, they are buying the smartphones. Number 2, in order to have a strong base Instagram account, you should post consistently. Yeah, according to the research, you have to post at least twice per day. At least twice per day, because you know why? When you keep posting every day, it will increase your traffic indirectly. It means your profile, your Instagram account will get exposure. Means it will reach a different audience every day. Definitely you can see the Insta famous, you can see the public figure, they will post every day. Even while they're eating, while they are walking, while they are sleeping, they will post everything every day. Why? Because they want to make sure that their traffic keep increase time to time. Number 3, you should utilize hashtag. What I mean by hashtag is you should utilize hashtag in 2 different ways. First, you should have your own dedicated hashtag. For example, let's say for my account, I do have one specific hashtag that I will keep using the same hashtag for all my posts. For example, hashtag FJStyle. If you don't trust me, you just Google hashtag FJStyle. You can see all my posts will be placed at one area. First, dedicated hashtag specific for you, and another one is a part of dedicated hashtag that you use for all posts. You should have other hashtag that you need to change after 3 or 4 times. For example, let's say you are selling clothes, for example, you should have maybe around 10 to 15 hashtag that you use for first few posts, and you need to change for another hashtag for the upcoming post. So this is how you have to do for the continuous post. Means every 3 or 4 posts you should change your bundle of your list of hashtag. Why? Because if you keep changing, you will reach a different audience. For the first few posts with a similar hashtag, it will reach the first segmentized group. When you change your hashtag, it will reach a second segmentized group. Same goes to the upcoming hashtag as well. By using this method, actually you will reach wider market, huge market, time to time. Tips number 4. You have to utilize other features, for example, such as the IG story, IGTV nowadays. Alright, okay, I would like to emphasize on IG story. You know why? Because if you post video, alright, okay, on your Instagrams, people need to click and to watch the video. But if you post as a story, alright, there is a possibility that people will accidentally watch your video. This is because if you look at the news feed, alright, on the Instagram account, you can see the list of the stories, am I right? And the first 3 stories are actually the most frequent watch or frequent stories that you watch. And Let's say I just intend to watch the first 3, and there is a possibility that one day I will accidentally hit number 4 as well, because this is how actually the Instagram stories work. You will keep continue playing from one account to another account. What you have to do is you just need to post every day. Who knows, one day people will accidentally watch your stories and become your fan. And last but not least, tip number 5. You have to build up rapport through massive size of conversation. Means what you have to do is you have to jump to any Insta famous profile and then communicate with anyone which is involved in that conversation. But you have to know something. You have to be genuine. Genuine means you have to really build up a rapport. Don't just simply jump to that particular account or that particular conversation and post something like please visit my profile. Avoid that, because that's really annoying. What you have to do is you have to be genuine. Again, means you have to really communicate through that particular conversation. Let's say they are talking about specific items, you have to give your input in that particular item as well. Be a part of their communication. One day you can see that if you're doing that consistently, you can see that one day you are build up your connection with them. And one day, definitely, if they know that you got something to share, they will follow you and they will make your profile as one of their favorites. Be genuine, because there is no shortcut to get real followers. Okay, please remember one thing. This is just my personal tips. 5 ways to build up your Instagram account. There are many ways that you can utilize to build up yours as well. But you have to understand something. Social media, Instagram, Facebook, they are subjective, they are universal, right? Everyone, every Insta famous or even other social media, for example, Facebook or maybe YouTubers, they do have a different way to build up their platform as well. So what you have to do is you have to try and error, alright? Maybe whatever works for me not really works to you. Maybe whatever works to you not really works to other people. If you love this video, please consider to subscribe, and see you guys again in the trainers tips. Bye.